guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a review for you from a company called Personal Planner. The company reached out to me. It's a company from Sweden, and they have all kinds of planners that they sell at varying prices. And so I said sure, I would love it because I know some of you really enjoy my planner videos, and I wanted something that I could use for my YouTube channel that would be a little bit more customized to what I needed, and this really fits the bill. And so let me show you about it, and then I'm going to tell you a surprise at the end. Okay, right here it is. You can design it any way you want, and it comes with this little strap that keeps it together, and mine just says you are capable of amazing things, and then has the Magnolia Housewife 2018. And I designed the front and the back. They have tons of designs to pick from. And then it comes with this really hard cover on the front and on the back. And then what I thought, and then this is a nice thick cover too. And then what I like is you can customize the inside of your planner, which I think is lovely. So I used one of their suggestions and tweaked it just a little. I said, "Hi, nice to meet you. I'm a personal planner and I am lost. Please return me to my owner below," with a broken heart because it's so sad. And then I just put the Magnolia Housewife and my email address. You can put a phone number, you can put an address. I really wouldn't want to put an address, but then the inside of the layout, you can customize it however you want. It's totally up to you. I had so much fun, and their website is very user-friendly. You do it all online. Here's January. It's like a monthly overview of it, and I wanted a small one that would fit in my purse, so when I go out or when I'm trying to work on projects, I have it right here, and I have all the information. So you have an overview of January. It's kind of hard to see, and you can also design the color you want inside your planner, and I chose that little design. You can do it. It's totally customizable. And then down at the bottom, you can choose how big you want these boxes to be, whether you want them to have lines in them or not. And then down here at the bottom, I put a to-do list on mine with check-offs. And then I put list of the week on mine. And then over here, I just put a place where you can write notes, and then you see your overview once again, and then an extra spot for notes. But this way, I can keep up with exactly what I'm doing. Any companies that I'm talking to, I can keep up with them. I just really love it, and it's so small that it fits in your purse. Now they have other sizes. They have a mini, which is $29.95, a square, which is $34.95, a wide that's $39.95, a classic A5, which is $39.95, and I'm pretty sure that's what I have, and the big, which is $59.95. And you get it in 3 to 4 weeks, and shipping is included in the price, which I really do love. And like I said, it's a company from Sweden. But you can, like I said, and you can make these boxes any way you want them. If you don't want them this way, you can switch them other ways. It's just so customizable. So I went through basically and did all that. Then at the end, you can add anything you want. You also get a little ruler that comes out, and I chose to get it in pink. They have many colors that you can get, but I chose the pink. And then naturally it'll have like Halloween and little days already on there, but then when you get over in the back, you can customize it even more. So I went ahead and added an overview of 2018 from the different months, which I really like. If you didn't want to put this in yours, you wouldn't have to. You might be able to see that better. Okay. And then you could have just lists like telephone numbers and addresses. And I put that in the back of my planner. That's, you know, if you didn't want that, you could put something else. Then I also opted for the coloring book in the back of the planner because I've always really wanted one. And that way, if I'm out and I'm kind of like, oh, I'm waiting on somebody, like my mom, if she's in an appointment or something, and I'm at the doctor's office, I can call her, you know. Sometimes you can't get Wi-Fi. So I put all these coloring pages in it, and they give you quite a few. And then at the end, I added suku. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm never very good at pronouncing it. But I added that in the back. And then it also comes with one of these clear pockets right in here that you can put stickers. And then you can also choose the color band that you want. And I got the really pretty purple band. But I love it. It's so compact. It's so customizable. And then here's some samples of their stickers. Now, I don't know if you'll get this in yours, but I did get them in mine. I kind of think you will, but I'm not 100% sure. But it just has like all these little blurbs, like a conversation and banners and stickers and emojis. It just has a lot of different things, and you can list things. So I really like this planner. And the company's name is Personal Planner, and like I said, you can put whatever you want on the front, customize the inside any color that you want, or design up here at the top and design your layout inside, which I thought that was really nice. Okay, now I will put all the information necessary to order this planner down in the description box below, the link to order it, and then I also have a coupon code that will give you 15% off your purchase of any of these planners. And it's good until March 15th, that coupon code. Now let me get to the exciting part. All right, Personal Planner is teaming up with me, and they are offering a giveaway for any size planner that they sell. I'm so excited for you all. What you're going to do, I'm going to put a link in the description box below if you want to enter the giveaway, and you have to enter it through that link. Otherwise, you won't be counted, because I have so many subscribers, I can't just go and select one, and I wouldn't want to, because I love you all, and I want you all to win. I wish you could all win. But this way, it will randomly pick, and it will verify the things that you have to do in order to be involved in this giveaway. All right, so first let me say that you have to follow, and this will all be written in the description box below, you have to follow Personal Planner on Instagram and like them on Facebook. You must also be a subscriber to my channel, and you need to comment on this video and give it a thumbs up. You really don't have to do that much. All right, and it will start March the 1st at 12 a.m. Central Time, and it will end March the 8th at 12 a.m. Central Time, okay? And I really hope you all win. I wish you all could win, but that's not possible. But at least you have a discount coupon code if you don't win that you can use to order one that's good until March 15th. So like I said, I'll have all the information down in the description box below. I think it's going to be a really fun giveaway, and I think you're really going to enjoy this personal planner because I really like it. I can't wait to start using it. I've had several instances where I really needed to use it, but I didn't because I was trying to save it to show you all. So, and the shipping, you get it in like 3 to 4 weeks. It was very smooth. It's a very smooth ordering process, so I really like that, and you get a lot of nice things. So I would like to thank Personal Planner for sponsoring this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.